Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to stand out? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create an amazing text animation using CapCut. We are going to learn all of this from simple fade to dynamic effects. We are going to learn all of this step by step, okay? So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's head straight to the tutorial proper. So we activate our CapCut, we click on it and tap on new project and import the video that we want to do the text animation on. So like for this video, this is the playhead, this white line that you're seeing, and here you see the video is the timeline. For us to do the text animation, we are going to blur the background. Okay, I'm going to show you something. So you come straight here to effect. Here you tap on effect and tap on video effect, and then you search for blur. I've been using it all this while, so you tap on it. It's here, blur, and then you select this second option. Okay, yes, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess. You tap on it again and you can see this blue line here, blur. So you can actually reduce the size of the blur. You can bring it down to, let's say, 10. Yes, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess. Say good. So when the play, hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Background for us. Do you want? Okay, it has already blurred the background for us. So we are going to listen to the video where it says it's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Okay, so and then we place the blur there and then we bring the text. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your where it says it's your boy SmartCess-Tech? So we move this one a little bit and then we bring in the text. Okay, we bring in the text here and type add text, and you search and then you type SmartCess, whatever text you want to use. Okay, SmartCess-Tech. Okay, so this is it. So and now you can choose a font that you want to use, and now you can choose a font that you might want to use. Okay, so let's say for me I will use this one. Okay, and then we are going to use animation on this text. Okay, so let's say you double tap on this text and you can see animation. Did you see that? Did you see that animation? The animation you can see in, out and loop. Okay, so let's search for, let me show you something. You scroll right down. Let's try this one. As you can see, so you can adjust the speed. If it's kind of slow, you can adjust it here where you can see the fast and slow. Did you see that? So guys, let's bring it down to 1.5. Okay. SmartCess-Tech. So guys, did you see that? So as you can see, where it gets to, it's your boy SmartCess-Tech. You see the image blur and you see the text displaying in front of the image. Okay, did you see that, guys? So this is how you play with the text animation. Okay, so now we are going to do intro. Okay, if you like, you can play with any one of these. Okay, so you double tap again on the text animation and you select animation. Okay, so we are going to do intro. How do you want the text? If, like, for example, you want the text to be coming in one after the other, and you're going to select this one. You see, so now as you can see, it's very fast. So we bring it down to again 1.5.
Okay. SmartCess-Tech.
You see, did you see that? So
channel, it's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to stand out?
So we don't want it to be like this, so we're going to remove this whole text again, and we add our text. Okay, SmartCess-Tech. Again, you can choose your font and you select animation. So we are going to do intro, how you want the text to appear. Okay, and
your boy,
so we can adjust it to 1.5 again. Let's say 1.5.
Your boy SmartCess-Tech
there. So this how your text will be. This how your text will come in. Okay, so let's play it.
Channel, it's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos
to see that, guys? Did you see that? So
channel, it's your boy SmartCess-Tech.
You see, so where it say it's your boy SmartCess-Tech, you see the text coming. Okay, and then let's add some color to it. Okay, you head over to style. You can choose whatever font you like, color. You can play with it, as you can see. You can increase the size. Okay, and then you can choose a background for it. If you like it this way, you can use the background and the text will be black. Okay, and then you can either use effect. Okay, effect actually gives you some style. Did you see that? You can play with any one of this one. Okay, you can play with any one of these. Okay, and then let's choose this one and see.
It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to?
So this is how you can play with your text animation. Okay, so guys, let's see how the outro can be like. This is the intro, and let's see. Double tap on it again and select animation. So you tap on out. Okay, out again. Let's do the reverse. Okay, this one, tap on this one.
Do you want your?
Okay, so as you can see, the red and the blue line, so it's actually in between now. Okay, so this one, the red that you're seeing is for the outro, and the blue it's for the intro. Okay, so let's play it and see how it.
Back to the channel, it's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to?
Did you see that? So this how you can play with the intro and outro of your text. Okay, for your videos to look like a cinematic videos. Okay, so now I'm going to show you again another style. Okay, you delete this one, and now we are going to type SmartCess-Tech again. Okay, let's say SmartCess. So you can actually give some effect to this one. Okay, effect to this one, like let's say for example you want to give an effect. If you don't want to use those ones, because those ones they have pull on it, so you can actually create your own effect. Okay, we are going to type this text. If you don't want to go and use the effect, if you don't want to go and use the effect tools, you can, because they have pro on it, so you can just tap this one like this and duplicate this one. Okay, for you to duplicate, you have to tap on this text. Okay, and search for duplicate and tap on duplicate. Okay, as you can see, it has already duplicated the text. So if you can move this with your finger, as you can see, it has already been moved. So what you are going to do is for us to change the color of this one. Okay, so we are going to tap this one, the second SmartCess-Tech. You can play with it. Let's say we use this blue, and you have to move it again on top of this text. You see, did you see that, guys? Did you see this? So this is 3D text effect. You can create any one of these if you don't want to go and use the pro features. Okay, so let's change the text again. Let's see, let's change the color again. Let's see. Okay, so we have white at the background, and now let's say black, as you can see. Did you see that? So you can see, you can play with either any one of this one. Did you see that? So you can drag it, you see, so the text is there. It's just for you to move it here a little bit, so you see the 3D text effect on this SmartCess-Tech. So now let's do another effect again. Just delete this one. So we go to text again, and we type SmartCess-Tech again. We double tap on it. If you want the video to, if you want this text to play throughout the videos, you can just click and drag like this, and here at the end you can take it down there, so the text will play to the end. Okay, but that one is not good, so you have to cut it short. Okay, so now we are going to animation again. You tap on animation, and you can play with different type of intro, like this one.
SmartCess-Tech.
Did you see this one? So guys, did you see this one?
Channel, it's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to stand out?
Did you see that? So it's just the same thing that we did just now. So this is the intro, so let's do the outro. Okay, double tap on it again and come to animation. Here at animation, let's look, you tap on this one, out, and let's see how the text will disappear. Let's take this one, random flash, like
do
this.
you want your videos?
Okay, it has already divided the intro and the outro. Okay, so let's tap on the good, and let's see. Okay, so let's play the video.
It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to stand out? In this,
did you see that? So this how, guys, you can play with your text animation. The last one, the last but not the least, is for you to use keyframe, okay, on your text as your intro. Okay, your text can be used as intro using keyframe. Okay, so let's say you tap on text again, and you type SmartCess-Tech, and you tap on looks good. Okay, and use your two finger to resize the text. Okay, so now you bring the playhead to this text effect. Okay, this text, you bring the playhead to where you see SmartCess-Tech. Okay, so you bring it, just place it here. Okay, did you see that, guys? So you put it here, so you place it there, and then you tap on this keyframe icon that you're seeing here. Okay, you tap on it, you see it has already give you a diamond shape, and then you move the text here. Okay, and then you go again, you shift the playhead, and then you tap on keyframe again. Okay, and then if you like, you can zoom it. Okay, and then you shift again and tap on keyframe again, and then you resize it, and you shift it again. You shift the keyframe here, the playhead again, then you tap on keyframe, and then you bring it down here, and then another keyframe, and then you bring it down. Okay, so let's play and see.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. Do you want your videos to stand
You
out?
see that? So guys, so this is how you can do an amazing text animation. Okay, so if you find value on this, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next tutorial.
So guys, thank you for watching. Learning how to create this kind of text animation can help elevate your videos to another level. Okay, it's actually for beginners, which can help boost their videos to another level. So thank you for watching this video. Bye, see you in my next tutorial.